Hello, my name is Cooper Holcomb, and I am grading Sophia Lynch's paper. I believe I said that right. So I'm just gonna talk. I believe I'm talking about all my edit suggestions and comments. So through reading this, I'm gonna just start with the. I hope you can see this. I'm gonna start with the rubric just really quick to just kind of summarize what I'm gonna go over. The writing style, there was one error. I wish I could just give like 18 out of 20, but so yeah, there's one error there, so I marked down for that. There was no opposing view for the topic, so I had to give a 0 for that. And for both of these, there were no new ideas introduced or suggested ideas, so I had to mark it. And to be honest, I wish it said it in the instructions. So I'll kind of go over it specifically. So through my reading, I like reading this, I made a few comments that kind of elaborate more on the why I graded the rubric, why I did, and I got I overall 75 out of 100 on the rubric. Um, so right here, I believe that just I'm nitpicking in right now. So right here, I believe it was a compound complex sentence because of the use of and the fact that she described publications, um, going into further depth of it. Um, I made a comment right here on the evaluations of source section, saying that I believe that it would be advantageous to add a couple sentences here to talk about the opposing views. Uh, so then that would cover the opposing view topic in the rubric, and I think this is a good place to do it here. Um, and then right here, this is the one error I found for grammatically. Um, right here. The goal of the source is better to understand the impact. I don't think that's how it was supposed to be said. I think it was supposed to be said, the goal of the source is to better understand the impact of plastic pollution. So that was the only thing I found, and that's why I marked down 10 points, but on the rubric. And then right here, I made a comment on the reflect section, saying I think this would be a great idea, a great time right here in this section to talk about the new ideas and suggested ideas for this topic, to also cover those topics in the rubric, because I just think it's a great idea where you're kind of coming in and talking more about your perspective and what you might think would, be helpful for this topic and like in the future to come. And then just right here, my last little comment. I believe this is a compound complex sentence. I believe it is because uh, I agree with the complex sentence that she believes it is, but I also think it's a compound because of the and. Um, Other than that, I thought everything else was pretty well written, and it made sense. It all sounded good. There was just a couple things that I just thought needed to be tweaked. Um, but other than that, I thought it was pretty good. It got down to the point, and the message was clear. The article, I understand the article just from reading this. Um, Again, yeah, I thought it was pretty good. Um, but yeah, that is Sophia's paper, and that's my take on it. Bye.